I'm going to show you the fastest way to create segments from webinar registrations, viewers, etc. in HubSpot. So what you see right here is all of our segments, and we have 0 CSVs, we have 0 uploads, we have 0 synchronization. The only thing that we're doing is using contrast one-click lists. Let me show you how it works. Go into Contrast, go into the admin dashboard where you have all of your webinars. The only thing that you need to do is go to the webinar that you want to create lists/segments for. We have this webinar, which is actually happening today, together with Ryan Gunn and Maggie Philbin on app events. Search for it on our Contrast channel. Anyways, the only thing that you need to do is click on the webinar, go to the registrations tab. And right here you have the create list button. It should probably be called create segments because that's how HubSpot is calling it right now. But what I can do is I can say, okay, I want to create a list for registrations, live viewers, replay viewers, or all viewers, right? And this is going to create separate lists. Right after the webinar is over, I can also create a list for CTA clicks, poll answers, Q&A messages. Super, super powerful. Right now, because I'm only having the webinar that's still upcoming, I'm going to do registrations. What you should know is that this list is an active list, okay? So you can create it before the webinar even starts, and it will automatically update with new registrations on HubSpot. So I'm going to create this list. We're creating your list on HubSpot, and now let's check out HubSpot to see the list. We're back in HubSpot, and as you can see, the list has been created right here. So I can click on the list. It's an active list, like I said before, so it's always being updated with new registrants. So let's say somebody registers now, this number would immediately jump to 651. Super powerful way, by far the fastest way to go from a list of registrants to an active list in HubSpot. And now what you can do is you can start using this in workflows. You can use this in reporting, etc. Super, super powerful. And I think the very best way to create lists in HubSpot. Good luck.